Greetings and welcome back to my happy channel. The STE is working. I'm just about ready to run Gem Bench. I just fired it up. Had a few difficulties putting it back together. That stupid shield on the back. Anyway, yeah, the death shield. I cut it. It's still there, you just don't see it. I cut it out. Anyway, yeah, and the floppy drive works, and I've got my hard drive emulator hooked up to it, and we're going to run bench test Gem Bench on it real quick. But she is running, has a nice bright picture. I'm super happy. So I'm going to bench it out for a while and see how it does. Run it. And, oh, I'm so happy. It's a happy day here at 8-Bit Fix. Man, it was a long time coming on this one. A few difficulties here and there, but we got it. I got my little handy dandy trackball mouse here. And there she goes, man. She's testing. Sweetness. It's the ones you actually pay good money for, the ones you worry about. Yeah, I paid 2 bills for this one, but she's worth it. And I might actually keep this one. It looks a little bit nicer than the one in the bedroom over there, my daily driver. Anyway, yeah, so I'm going to run some bench test on it and open like this for a while, let her breathe. As you can see, I don't put the aluminum shield back on them. I never do. Some guys hate it. I figure why? You know, you don't need an RF shield on it, and it lets it breathe and lets it cool down a little more. Anyways, yeah, not quite a full recap, but yeah, one of the main problems I had was these capacitors. I had 2 of them inside underneath the power supply, and I didn't have the clearance to put the power supply in. It was like teetering on the capacitors when I put it in. So I had to take it all back apart. I found one. I had to put one of the old capacitors back in it because I didn't have a new one, and I had to scrounge a flat top 47 35 volt. But I did it. She's running. You know how it goes. Yeah. Anyway, yeah. So she's running and she's testing, and it's a keeper. Anyways, thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll get that monitor over there. It's underneath the green towel, the SP3000. She's next. Get that going. Anyway, all right. Thanks for watching, man. Super stoked. Check you later.